Good morning and welcome to Loch Arklet. As we can see here in the front, the majority of the leaves have now left us. However, the sun's starting to come out. We might get a bit of colour or a bit of light shining on the leaves that's left. Setup is very simple. Because the sun's come out, it's to the left hand side and we've got a bit of blue sky in front of us, so we've got a polarizer on there, taking care not to make it too blue, as we want it to look as natural as possible. I'm only using a one filter setup other than the polarizer, and that's a 0.9 Lee medium grad. So I'm going to get a few shots, see what they come up with, and then see what John's getting up. At the moment I'm on portrait mode. John set up his landscape, so it'll be interesting to see the two different compositions. Now, another thing that I'm doing today is I'm focus stacking two images together. So I'm focusing on the leading line, which is this path, fantastic leading line straight down into where the trees are. So I'll take a shot probably about 10 foot in front of me, and that's where the focus point's going to be, and then I'm going to focus on the trees themselves as well. Yeah, they're looking as good as they're going to get today, considering there's not much colour in those trees left at all. But it's still better being out than sitting in the house. Now you may be able to see John with the red jacket on. He's probably about maybe 200 metres away. The wee man bounced over the fence because he wanted to get a different type of composition. As I said, we're really hoping that light is going to come through. But at the end of the day, it's still nice to be out here. Well, I've now got all the images for today. I can see that the sun is off and on all day, so hopefully I've got a few images. If I go away with one image in a day, then I'm happy. It's always good to be outdoors anyway. It's better than sitting in the house. So time I go back, I'll have a look at the images, and then I'll post the images that I've got from today. So thank you for watching.